Be ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to this meeting. The report of your directors and the audited accounts of the company for the year 1977 have been in your hands for some time. With your permission, I take them as read. You will be happy to notice from the statement of accounts that your company, after a serious setback during the previous year, has forged ahead and consolidated its position. In my address from the chair for the last 3 years, I had mentioned about the recession in the diesel engine industry and our efforts to come out of it. The continued recession had made it rather difficult for me last year to make a reasonable forecast for your company. However, you would be pleased to see that the results for the period under review have been quite satisfactory. Your company has made a profit of rupees 1 crore after providing for taxation, depreciation, development rebate, and doubtful debates. Last years, due to unfavorable conditions, your directors could not declare any dividend on equity shares. However, this year, due to better performance, your directors have recommended a total dividend of rupees 1.25 per equity shares for the financial year ended on 30th June last, covering a total period of 15 months. This management has always been anxious to give a fair return to the shareholders on their investment. This year, it was found that the conditions were favorable and held out a promise of increase in sales and profit. The directors declared an interim dividend in the month of June and followed it up by a final dividend. The fortunes of our country are still to a large extent dependent on the vagaries of nature. Inadequate rains in the country during the last 3 to 4 years, followed by severe drought last year, appreciably disrupted the growth of the economy of the country. Both the industrial as well as the agricultural production suffered very heavily. Shortage of electrical power in many of the states also contributed to this fall in production in all fields. It is a matter of great satisfaction to us that out engines came in handy as prime movers for generating sets at this critical juncture. The demand for our engines for generating sets increased considerably. In time, we would have been able to meet this full demand easily. Stop.